Hey guys, this is Aaron here in not the 16-bit workshop. Bit of a departure from my regular videos, but I really wanted to share this because it was such a cool moment. I've been building this replica of a Shelby Cobra for 5 or 6 years now. It had no progress for like 5 years, and then everything's happened in the last year. And after spending several months on it, I finally got the wiring loom in, the major circuits working, and I just wanted to share this little video of me going around and turning stuff on. It was so exciting for me, so I hope you like it. Temporary wiring panel, side lights, dip beam, main beam, dip beam, main beam, hazards, off. Okay, so that's it. Like I say, I hope somebody liked that. It was super cool for me to be able to turn stuff on for the first time. It's been such a long time coming. I apologize for the audio at the start of the video. I don't have like a studio mic or anything, and the laptop mic is not great apparently. So anyway, probably be back to regular kind of videos next time. Back to some Amiga stuff. I've still got a bunch of stuff I want to do. But thanks for watching.